What experience do I have? Well, I've loved babies since forever, so I held countless babies after church. I babysat from the age of 12. I looked after babies of teenage moms while they worked on improving their situations. I did the internship with the midwife in college, attending 8 births, both at home and in birth centers in the States, Pennsylvania. I had wanted to become a midwife, but decided to focus on my own family with my husband instead. And we finally had our own baby, home water birth. He was an IVF baby, and we had wanted more kids, but that wasn't meant to be. Eventually, I decided to focus on supporting moms, and I worked in a volunteer position with an organization in Sydney that supports moms postpartum, and then decided to become a doula. And I trained in 2022 and was certified in February of 23. I have since had 7 private birth clients, and I've supported another 11 families postpartum. I've attended births at home, in birth centers, in hospitals, on land, in water, medicated, unmedicated, purely physiological. I've had a couple of moms have cesareans. I've covered a lot of ground, and I look forward to covering a whole lot more.